The seafood production process at factories is truly an exciting adventure that every star from the ocean gets to participate in. The journey begins in the vast ocean, where skillful fishermen set sail with massive nets to capture the sea creatures. Fish, shrimp, squid, all are welcomed on board with open arms, like honored guests stepping onto a stage. But the fun doesn't stop there. These VIP guests are immediately whisked away on special refrigerated trucks, speeding towards the factory, where they are treated like celebrities. Upon arrival at the factory, the seafood is placed on a conveyor belt, ready for a lively performance. Here, each type of seafood is meticulously sorted: shrimp with shrimp, squid with squid, and fish with fish, never a mix-up. Next, the seafood is taken to their very own spa, a special cleaning process with cold water and ice baths that removes any dirt and impurities, preparing them for the next transformation. In the processing area, the seafood is handled by skillful robotic chefs who magically turn them into various dishes. They might be steamed, boiled, frozen, or sliced, all with the flair of a culinary show. This process transforms the seafood from ordinary ocean creatures into exquisite culinary delights. Once processed, the seafood is dressed in stylish and eye-catching packaging, just like putting on a fancy outfit for a grand party. However, before stepping onto the main stage, every package of seafood must go through a strict quality control process by the factory's meticulous judges. Every tiny detail is carefully inspected to ensure that only the best products reach the consumer. Only those meeting the standards are approved and sent to storage, a cool, five-star hotel-like environment, ensuring the products remain fresh while waiting to embark on their next journey. Finally, the seafood is ready for its trip to consumers. Special trucks transport them to restaurants, supermarkets, and family kitchens, where everyone can enjoy the fresh flavors of the ocean. The seafood's adventure ends here, but opens up a delightful experience for every meal. Enjoy your seafood dishes and savor the love from the sea in every bite. The seafood production process is not just about food processing. It is also filled with fascinating details and advanced technology. Nowadays, many factories use robotics and automated systems that turn them into professional chefs, capable of performing complex tasks like deboning, slicing, and packaging in just seconds, making the production process faster and safer. To keep seafood fresh, factories utilize ultra-quick freezing systems, which prevent the formation of large ice crystals and preserve the original flavor and nutrition from the ocean. Not stopping there, the cleaning process is also noteworthy, as water used is specially treated to remove impurities and bacteria, ensuring absolute safety. After processing, the seafood is dressed in smart packaging that is not only visually appealing, but also extends shelf life without the need for chemical preservatives, thanks to technologies like modified atmosphere packaging or vacuum sealing. Modern factories also use X-rays to inspect products, detecting small foreign objects such as bone fragments or shells, ensuring absolute quality. Moreover, the production process emphasizes environmental protection by applying water treatment and recycling technologies, ensuring water conservation and eco-friendliness. Adhering to the highest food safety standards, such as HACCP, each stage from raw materials to finished products is strictly controlled to ensure that the seafood reaching consumers is flawless. Notably, during production, parts like shrimp shells, fish bones, and clam shells are repurposed into animal feed, organic fertilizers, or even cosmetics, optimizing resources and minimizing waste. People in the industry continuously learn from nature, closely monitoring changes in the marine environment to improve fishing and production processes, aiming to sustainably protect marine resources. These intriguing aspects reflect the relentless efforts of humanity to bring high-quality, safe products to family tables while preserving the environment and valuable marine resources for future generations. The world of seafood import and export is like a vibrant stage with the presence of stars from the seas around the globe. China takes the lead as a versatile artist, being both the top seafood exporter with meticulously processed products like shrimp, squid, and fish, and a major importer of raw materials for further creativity. Norway appears as a blockbuster movie producer with high-quality salmon and cod products, farmed and processed with modern technology, conquering demanding markets like the EU, the US, and Asia. Vietnam is no less competitive, emerging as a giant, with shrimp, pangasius, and squid that are popular in the US, Japan, and the EU, thanks to increasingly innovative and sustainable processing methods. India plays the role of a rising star in the export of shrimp and squid, mainly targeting major markets like the US and the EU, leveraging abundant raw materials and low-cost labor. Thailand, the professional chef of the seafood processing industry, captivates the world with its frozen shrimp and super convenient canned products. On the import stage, the US holds the position of VIP diner with enormous consumption demand, importing seafood from every corner of the world. Japan, on the other hand, is a culinary master with discerning tastes, requiring imported seafood to be extremely fresh to serve its famous sushi and sashimi dishes. The EU, a sophisticated customer, with strict food safety regulations, primarily imports from Norway, Vietnam, and Thailand. China also plays the role of a collector, both exporting and importing seafood to meet the growing consumption needs of its people. South Korea, a fanatic of traditional seafood dishes, continuously imports fish and shrimp from Russia and Vietnam to enrich its vibrant culinary table. The seafood processing industry is diverse and complex, with many aspects that are not widely known. It increasingly uses advanced technologies such as individual quick freezing, IQF, UV treatment, and high-pressure processing, HPP, to preserve and enhance product quality. Many seafood processing companies not only focus on the main products but also make use of byproducts like shrimp shells and fish bones to produce other items such as fish meal, fish oil, or chitosan, used in medical and cosmetic applications. To ensure food safety, the industry adheres to strict quality control standards, such as HACCP, hazard analysis and critical control points, and other international standards. However, the seafood processing industry can have negative impacts on the environment, such as water pollution and improper waste disposal, though many companies are investing in environmentally friendly waste treatment technologies. Processed seafood from Asian countries like Vietnam, Thailand, and India is heavily exported to major markets such as the EU, the USA, and Japan, requiring businesses to meet stringent quality and food safety regulations. The industry continuously innovates to create products that meet consumer preferences and demands, such as canned products, pre-seasoned items, or ready-to-eat products. Despite its need for skilled labor across various stages, from raw material handling to operating advanced machinery, the industry often faces challenges in recruiting and retaining employees. A new trend is the use of blockchain technology to ensure transparency in the supply chain, allowing consumers to easily trace the origin of products. The seafood processing industry involves not only the handling and preservation of raw materials, but also encompasses various aspects of technology, market dynamics, and sustainability, painting a comprehensive and challenging picture.